How to get and share your WhatsApp link. In this quick and simple tutorial, we'll learn how to get our WhatsApp link and share it with a friend or family member. This process works on both iPhone and Android devices. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. WhatsApp doesn't have a specific option to copy your link, so we'll use a trick to generate it manually. Open a conversation with the person you want to share your link with. This can be on WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, or any messaging platform. Type the following, wa.me/ then your WhatsApp phone number. Make sure to include your country code with a plus sign. Send this message in the conversation. This will be your WhatsApp link. When someone clicks on this link, it will open a chat with you in WhatsApp and they can start messaging you. And that's it. You've generated and shared your WhatsApp link. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.